Welcome to Top Pro Digital Mixer tutorial. Today you'll be learning how to send your signals to effects, and from effects how we route to the auxes or to the main. So for example, we have channel 4s here today. We're going to send the channel 4s to the effect engine. So first you need to press the assign button here, or even press this through the touchscreen. Then you will go to this assign page and you can see there's a FX1 and FX2 here. So you can select pre or post here, or you can choose the sending using the knob or using the touchscreen. So this is to send to FX1. If you want to send to FX2, just press the FX2 and turn the knob or use the touchscreen. So once you send the channel 4s to the FX1 and FX2, you need to ensure that the FX1 and 2 is being returned to the main or returned to the auxes. So first we need to select the FX1 and FX2 through these two buttons. You can see from here. So we select the FX1 and you can see we can send to the main here or using this button. We also can send the FX back into auxes. So by selecting here, we are sending to aux1 and we are sending to aux2. So we can choose pre and post for the audio routing. So that is for today, how to send the FX to the main and output, and how we send from the input to the FX. We will see you again in the next episode. Bye bye.